Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find Naniwa and Vanya this week on Heartopia. Well, this month probably for the Dreamlight Cinematics Festival. So they did move here. So this is where Vanya is, near the Windmill flower field on the beach for the Octo Entertainment event. And then for Naniwa, he's going to be at Whale Mountain here for the Script Supervisor B event. So if you guys are wondering where they are, they will be there. Again, Bailey won't move. She's just going to be there, but there's also another event here near the jump puzzle area. I'm just waiting for the event to start, but she's still going to be at her place, but the other NPCs are kind of moved here. So if you're wondering where they are, they're there, okay? They're just in a different location for the event like last time. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!